Today on the Roadhouse, we're going to see if we can get this Impala started. Let's get it started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Getting close.
Definitely a healthy motor.
That's a good
Sounds
like.
It's right over and really fast. Bolted up behind the foil, or forward. So they are actually stronger than the 203. Up there, so I think we can find them. You get plugged in without taking the starter off.
This is where we switched everything from the factory harness for the LS to the Holley Terminator X Max. Always fighting for trouble. The reason why we did it is mainly because everything can be seen on a little video screen about 3 inches wide that's going on with the car. So when I'm on those power tours or whatever I'm doing, Route 66, whatever I'm doing, I'll be able to tell exactly what's going on with everything in the car by just a little computer screen. That's why we did it. The Holley Terminator X Max was reading all green on everything. So all the LED lights were green. The problem was that the ECU is fried. So we sent it in and hopefully we get it back soon so we can get this Impala back on the road after it only spent 9 years on the road in the first place. 1967 to 1976. That was the only time it ever spent on the road. I did have a professional drive shaft shop make my drive shaft. I wanted it to be about 500 horsepower in case I go up from my expected 425, which I'm hoping to get next summer with a cam swap. Before I can drive this thing, I got several little issues I got to go over. I got to finish the brake lines. They are not quite done. They just got to be connected in the front and the rear. Nothing too crazy. Power steering needs to be hooked up, so I got to take care of finishing that up. Wire the alternator into the system for the fuse box, for the new fuse box. It's a more modern fuse box. I got to wire the lights, switches, all that type of stuff. I need to get another gas pedal because we went from drive-by-wire to drive-by-cable for the Holley Terminator X Max that we had. The hood is at Shaker Racing. I just dropped it off today, so it's getting it's being two hoods are becoming one. Let's just put it that way. I got some body bolts missing, so I'm gonna have to find some for the inner fender and stuff like that. Got to line the panels. That's probably Shaker Racing. They're probably going to take care of that for me. Springs on the hood. The hood latch is there. I got to get the springs put on the hood levers there so I can get the hood on when it gets back from Shaker Racing. And I got to route the fuel lines a little bit better underneath the car. It's not that they're routed bad, it's just that they need to be tied up correctly. So I'm going to do that right, not just zip tie. And then of course we got the interior that needs to be done. The seats are going to about 3 hours away in order to get done. Dash pad, all that type of stuff is not needed to actually get the car running. After it's running and driving, all the rest of the stuff's easy. Of course, the exhaust needs done. Got the Camaro 2010 Camaro exhaust manifolds on here. Willwood brakes all the way around, disc all the way around. It's got a 12 bolt in the rear. If you guys are looking for 12 bolt hardware, here it is. See if I can find a part number. There we go. 10024 strap kit, 2 of them. Wow, it's just made. 3/31/21, my birthday. Okay. Other than that, got to get the headlights wired. A lot of little stuff. But it's not that bad. I'm loving the stance right now. I still have to put the front shocks on in order to finish it up as far as the front and rear shocks and suspension. Everything is done, new springs. You can follow these videos all the way back to when I found it in the junkyard. So I love this patina. I'll probably ride this patina for a little while, and then I'll go ahead and get it painted. It's kind of a black vinyl top, dark maroon paint. Thank you for staying with me with these videos on the Impala. This thing is gonna be sweet. Like I said before, I'm looking for about 425 horsepower out of this. I'm not looking for a lot out of it. It's gonna be my cruiser, hot rod power tour, road hard Roadhouse run car. So I'm not really looking to go crazy on it at this time. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Comment down below. Let me know what you think.